Hello guys, I am V Sai Srinivas of 9th class from Mathman. So today I am going to explain today's editorial. So let's get started. So today our editorial's name is Tempered Optimism. Even with the declining infection rates, public activity needs to be guided by caution. The course of the coronavirus pandemic in the new year presents a picture of contrasts, with some rich countries running out of vaccines and experiencing a tide of new cases and deaths, and poorer countries going without access to vaccination, while India reports a case decline. Vaccine hesitancy may even be wasting precious vials in some states. Amidst suggestions, amidst suggestions that the worst is over, the Home Ministry has proposed further relaxations in the protocols for public activity from February, including occupancy levels in the cinema theaters, holding of exhibitions, and access to swimming pools. This will come as a relief to some of the outlying sectors that could not fully unlock so far, although, as the ministry points out, all other activities have been permitted. The January 27 guidelines for surveillance, contaminant, and caution also create a window for further relaxation of international air travel, but the DGCA has decided to maintain status quo on scheduled flights till February end. Full-fledged intercities rail services await a decision too. In an economy struggling with a demand contraction for goods and services, a graded opening is the prudent course with strict enforcement of public health measures. It would be wrong to read the MHA's unlock advisory without taking cognizance of the protocols that must continue to be followed. Use of face masks, healthy distancing, staggering of working hours, workplace sanitization, and firm action against spitting in public. These legal requirements, however, have been rendered moot in many instances by crowded election campaigns, agitations, and gatherings. Many states are not even trying to persuade reluctant people in public. So, guys, we know that since New Year, the number of cases which are being reported in our country and many other states are decreasing day by day. So, but if we take other countries, so the rich countries are running out of vaccines and they are experiencing even more cases than usual. So, but if we take the poor countries, they don't have any access to the vaccination, and they the deaths and also the number of cases are increasing too. So in India, the number of cases are decreasing and the social activity is increasing. So the delay of the vaccine is a waste of time. So due to the delay of the vaccine, many states are wasting their precious resources, and the there were many suggestions, but any of them are not being considered. So the country is in relaxation state right now. So the Home Ministry has proposed even more relieving in the protocols. So the public activities such as the cinema theaters, exhibitions, and swimming pools. So after proper health measures were taken, they will be giving out protocols regarding the occupancy levels of the cinema theaters and the places where the exhibition and fairs are held. So they will also be giving protocols regarding the security of the swimming pools. So they might be released in the month of February. So this will give relief to many people because there are some sectors which didn't have any kind of rise or profit until now. So the movie sector and uh, the exhibition sector didn't have any growth because none of them were held since the pandemic. So this would help them to expand and get into profits again. So the ministry states that all the other activities have been permitted only if the security measures are followed properly. On January 27th, the guidelines for surveillance, contaminant, and caution are also creating a window to these sectors. So, if they will be included in their uh, exhibitions and etc., it would be so much helpful for the people. So, there is a talk regarding the international air travel too. So they are going to allow the international air travel only based on certain time schedules till February 4th. So they will start the full fledged intercity rail services. So they are also thinking about it because it is very major. So in the present society, the requirement of the goods is decreasing day by day. So to boost it up, they are giving protocols regarding the swimming pools, cinemas, theaters, and etc. So it would help to increase the public activity, but by maintaining the protocols, and the protocol states that the use of masks, social distancing, and also decreasing the working hours is must, and also the places must be sanitized at certain intervals of time. So action will be taken against the people who spit in the public. So these requirements are however compulsory at such you know activities. So but all of these are not being followed in the election campaigns and also the protests and other gatherings by the people. So the many states are not trying to even take care of them and persuade these unrestrainable people in the public. So that's it guys, thank you.